Hello and welcome to our Unity prayer service for this month of October 2022. I invite you to take a few moments to get still, to breathe and to relax and let go into this quiet time, to feel the support of the chair that you sit upon, your environment where you are right now, and the support of silent unity as we come together in reflection and prayer. Breathing in and breathing out, we release the past and drink in the spirit of this moment. We pause to refresh in the presence of infinite love and in the light of illuminating wisdom. God is and we are, here and now, as we begin this time of prayer. I pause, I breathe, I enter a sanctuary of peace. Breathing in and breathing out, I relax and release. I open my heart and mind, and in trust I lay down cares and concerns from a moment ago, just breathing them away. In quiet peace, I pause. I know peace, peace, peace in the silence. By faith, I perceive the true and real within every circumstance. Let me see through eyes of faith the truth of divine power and presence at the core of every experience. By faith, I trust what I cannot yet see. As circumstances unfold, I remain faith-filled and faithful. I know good and only good, now as well as in the days ahead. As I hold the silence. Centered in divine life, I flourish in every way. In this time of prayer, I acknowledge divine life, the eternal flame of ever-flowing vitality. No matter the season, no matter the story, I choose to live. I will not sit on the sidelines. I will not delay. I choose to jump into the fire of life, to sparkle and shine. And this I hold in prayer in the silence. As I continue in the quietness, in the silence, I affirm, I am one with and now realize divine abundance. For the good of God cannot be withheld. It pours over every detail of my life like a steady and gently flowing rain. With every breath, I draw upon divine abundance. Every need of mine is met with plenty, plenty of possibilities, plenty of resources, plenty to love and celebrate. In quiet meditation, I am at peace with all of humanity. My heart of compassion extends to the human family. Each face I see is the face of God. Each story tells my story, a message about hope and courage and overcoming. I am one with God and one with all, in peace, in the silence. as we come to complete this time of prayer. May our prayers unleash our spiritual potential, so we support those with whom we pray and everyone awakening to our divine identity. We unleash faith, life, abundance, love, wisdom, and strength. Renewed and empowered, we contribute to a rising consciousness of harmony and peace. We are blessed, and we are a blessing. Together, to close, let us come together and recite our prayer for protection. The light of God surrounds us. The love of God enfolds us. The power of God protects us. The presence of God watches over us. Wherever we are, God is, and all is well. Bless you, and thank you for joining this time today.